What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and welcome back to my last video of Osos. Thank God. If you don't know, Osos is 2020 backwards. And today I'm doing my annual mashup of the top songs of the year, but today I have a special guest, Dani Calleiro. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Hi guys, I'm Dani Calleiro. We're literally talking to each other on FaceTime while we film this, so we're laughing a lot.
Also, make sure to check out Dani's channel. We're gonna be doing something there very soon, so stay tuned, go subscribe.
And also, if you guys don't know, I used to do covers on YouTube and I haven't done a singing video in a really long time. So I'm really excited to be doing it with Jennifer, and I'm very honored to be on this channel because I've been watching it for a long time. So I really hope you guys like what we do.
Wow, I did not know she was gonna say these things. Anyway, I have been a fan of Dani's for a long time, and I'm very honored that she wanted to sing on my channel, so we're just very big fans of each other, is the point. We are in different countries, and we did this all over like FaceTime, and it was a really interesting process, but it was really fun, and we hope you guys enjoy it.
Sugar high, I'm blinded by the light, and now I can't sleep until I feel your touch. Let's get physical all night. I'll riot with you. I know you got my back, and you know I got you. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me slowly. I've been lonely, so lock the door.
Can't sing this one.
I'm a savage, yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet.
And
suddenly you're asking for it back. Could you tell me where'd you get the nerve? You gave her your sweater, it's just polyester, but you like her better. I wish I would have her. I had a dream, I got everything I wanted. I'm at Disney, now what you think? And if I'm being honest, they tricked me. Right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Dance with me, dance with me, oh. Dashi, come, my nigga, say light up the sky. The midnight sky is the food I'll take it. I'd rather be drunk, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain on me, rain. I'm feeling good, like I should. Went and took a walk around my neighborhood. Yeah, I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me break the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little funkin' soul. I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, da-na-na-na-na-na-na, hey, da-na-na-na-na-na-na, hey, da-na-na-na-na-na-na, hey, light it up, dynamite.
We hope you guys enjoyed this mashup. We had a lot of fun making it. Let us know what your favorite song of 2020 was in the comments below. And that is pretty much it. I will see you guys next year. Shout out of the week is right here. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
To your knees.